In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use the Windows 10 Ink Workspace. Before we use it, we have to make sure we have access to it. The way to do that is to do a touch and hold on your taskbar. When the taskbar menu opens, make sure you have a check next to Show Windows Ink Workspace button, like so. When that check is next to the item, you will see in your taskbar an icon that looks like a pen with a curvy line. And when you touch that, it gives you access to the Windows 10 Ink Workspace. The two most commonly used items in the Windows 10 Ink Workspace are the sketchpad and screen sketch. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sketchpad first. And here we have the sketchpad open, and as you can see, it gives us a nice whiteboard solution. I can choose my inking tools from the menu here. I'll choose my writing utensil, pick the color I want. I can also choose the thickness of the line. I'll make that a little thicker, and then I can begin inking. And once I've written what I want, I can actually go ahead and save this. The way to make that happen is on my menu, touch the floppy diskette button, and it opens up a window that allows me to save what I've done as a picture. The other most commonly used tool is what's known as Screen Sketch. And the great thing about Screen Sketch is when I have something on the screen, such as a web page, what I can do is launch the Screen Sketch from the Windows 10 Ink Workspace, and that will create a snapshot of what I have on the screen. As you can see, I have my inking tools, and we can follow the same procedure to create the thickness of the line and the color that we want. And then once again, begin inking. And as we did before, I have the option to touch my floppy diskette button and save as a picture.